Today, I'll show you how to create a clean, well-structured layout for a publication using a new document in your design software. We'll go from a blank file to a fully organized layout with grids, master pages, and clearly labeled sections, so your text and images are easy to place and keep consistent throughout the entire document. First, start by creating a new document. Go up to the File menu, choose New, and then select Document. This is where you set the foundation for everything that comes next, so take a moment to think about the kind of project you're building. Is it a newsletter, a magazine, or a multi-page report? That will help guide your choices in the next few settings. Next, choose the option for facing pages. This is important if you're designing something that will be viewed as spreads, like a magazine or booklet, where you see a left and right page together. Facing pages make it easier to design across the spread, align elements across the gutter, and keep the reading flow natural. Now, set your page size. You might choose something like tabloid or A3, depending on your region or printing requirements. If you already know your printer specifications, match those here. If not, pick a standard size that suits your project. Remember, page size affects how much content fits comfortably on each page, so avoid making it too cramped or too sparse. Once your size is set, it's time to add margins and columns. Margins create breathing room around the edges of your page, and columns help structure your text. A common choice for editorial layouts is between 4 and 6 columns. More columns give you flexibility to combine them for wider images or pull quotes, and to break up large blocks of text into something that's easier to read. To make alignment even easier, set up a grid. Go to the Layout menu and choose Create Guides. Here you can add rows and additional columns. These guides don't print, but they act like invisible scaffolding, helping you align text frames, images, and other elements so everything feels cohesive. Consider how many rows you need based on how dense your content will be and how precisely you want to align captions, headlines, and images. With the grid in place, it's time to design your master pages. Open the Pages panel and create a new master. Master pages are templates that control repeating elements throughout your document. On this master, add elements like headers, footers, page numbers, and any column or baseline guides you want visible. Keep your branding here too, like logo placement or a recurring graphic bar. The key is to set it up once so you don't have to rebuild the same elements on every page. After you're happy with the master layout, apply the master to all the pages in your document through the Pages panel. This instantly gives every page a consistent framework, saving a lot of time and helping you maintain a professional look from start to finish. Now you can start adding your actual content. Use the Type tool to draw text frames that follow your columns. This ensures your body text, headlines, and captions line up with your grid. For images, go to File, then Place, and click on your page to drop them into position. Resize and align them with your guides so they integrate smoothly with the text. Finally, organize your document into clear sections. Use the numbering and section options to label different parts of your publication, such as news, sports, or editorial. This is especially useful for longer documents, as it keeps your page numbers, headings, and navigation clear, both for you while designing and for your readers later. By following these steps, you'll have a structured, flexible layout that makes designing multi-page documents faster, cleaner, and much easier to manage.